Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we will see that how we can run a single file uh, for the .NET code. Okay, and it means that we don't need to set up the whole project to run the application. Okay, like it is a very quick way to test your code without setting up a project using the Visual Studio. Okay, and along with that, like this feature comes with the .NET 10. It means that we only able to run this file in the .NET 10. Okay, so without getting any details, so let's get started on main content. So first, let me tell you that there I have installed two extensions, two Visual Studio Code extensions, which is C Sharp Dev Kit and C Sharp, which is designed by Microsoft. So just install this packages, so this extension, so that you will be able to use and create the code. Okay, now suppose what I will do here, I will create a app.cs file. Okay, but cs is a C sharp extension. Now let's get started with the printing the hello world. Okay, so console.write line. Along with that, I will just put the hello world. Okay, now so I just want to run this file. Okay, or the entire code which is exist in this file will run. Okay, so what I will do is simply I will just use the .NET run. After that I will give the file name like this. I will hit the enter, and simply we will get the result hello world. So in this way, we can run a single file of a C sharp file, okay, of the .NET. Okay, now suppose there is another thing that I want to test it here. Okay, like console.write line, or it's Monday. Okay, or let me print some more values. Along with that, I will suppose I will just add the date time dot utc now. Okay, or simply I will just run this command again. Then we will get the values like hello world, it's Monday, and 27 November. So there is so many things that we can implement in this single file. Like you can test the third-party APIs. You can test here your logics as well. Like you don't need to create the separate console application using the Visual Studio. Okay, like even you can test your code in the VS Code with the single file. Okay, so this is the best approach to test your application. Now suppose I will create another file, and I will just name it as a logic.cs. Superb. Now what I will do here, suppose I want to test the logic, like I want to perform the logic operations. Okay, so for, or I will just give the, I want to initialize the value from the 1 to 9. Okay, now along with that, suppose just I want to print these value. That's it. Okay, console.write line. Okay, so that we can assure the things are working properly or not. Okay, or simply I will just change the file name here, or I will just name it as a logic.cs, or simply it gives me value from 0 to 9. Now the thing is that am I run the minimal APIs or some other things? Okay, so simply what I will do here, I will just add the things, like I will add the api.cs file. Okay, in the api.cs file, first we need to set up few things before creating the minimal APIs. Okay, like first we need to add the builder, okay, like the builder that we do in the program cs, okay, like we have to do the similar setup here, okay. So I will just use the application, not application, it's web application dot builder, okay. Or we know that this thing comes with the .NET SDK package. Okay, so like what you have to do, just write here SDK, or what's your SDK name is Microsoft .NET SDK web. Simply you have to inject your SDK here. Now what you have to do, simply I will just create the app equals to builder dot build. That's it. Along with that, now I will initiate. Now I will create the API minimal API setup, or I will just name the endpoint is the greetings. Or in the second parameter, I will pass the delegate. Okay, or simply it will return me hello world. That's it. Okay, hello world from API. That's it. So it will return me a simple string from this API, or simply I will just use app.run. So there is a few basic things, few basic setup that we do in the program CS. So we do here as well. Or like we used the SDK, which is Microsoft .NET .SDK Now I will run this application, okay, or I will just run this page, or simply .NET run API.cs. So first it will download the .NET SDK web package, so that it will run this code here, okay. I think I made a mistake here. Just let me check. I think I made a typos mistake here, okay, like no content definition of the builder, okay, not builder, it's create builder, okay. Now I will run this file again. Now I think it should work now. Or web application does not contain definition of metget. It's not metget, it's mapget. Like, guys, please don't repeat the silly mistakes like me, okay. Please ignore this here. Or I think it should work. Or yes, so my application is running successfully. Or if I just hit this hit like if I just go hit this URL to my Google Chrome, then simply I will just get the response. Or I will just use the greetings and the point. Let me check it again. Or I will hit the enter. Think it's greetings, okay. Now the things are working fine. Or sorry for the spelling mistakes that I made here. So in this way we can create the minimal APIs. We can test the minimal APIs like this. Just you have to import the SDKs, which is Microsoft.NET.SDK.web, or like web application dot create builder. After that you will build your app. Or while building the app, I will just create the minimal APIs like this, or I will run my app code. So in this way I created my APIs. Okay. Now what I will do here, suppose I want to create this page in project. Okay. So what I will do here, simply I will just use the .NET project convert. Super. Now I will name the which file I want to create. I want to convert the project, or I will just hit the enter. Or it like specify the output directory. So output directory will be API test, okay. Or like this. So it is the convert the project with the api.cs proj file, okay. So here the things have set up here, like the target framework is .NET 10, or the implicit using is enable. So such kind of things that we are using here, or the SDK is using Microsoft.net .sdk.web. So in the such way we can use and we can run the single C# file to test your code in a very quick way without setting up your full-fledged project. Okay. So if you love this video, if you love this content, so hit the like button and share this video to your friends or colleagues or network as well. Or guys, I just want to remind you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So till then, take care guys. Bye bye. Have a good